RTFANS was established in 2005. Located in Dongguan City, we enjoy convenient transportation and benefit from the rapid development of China's Greater Bay Area. Our cooperative company covers an area of 6,500 square meters and has a total number of 100 distributors in China and the export market by the end of 2022. We specialized in providing cost-saving and energy-efficient cooling and ventilation solutions for large spaces. Our company has rich experience in the industrial cooling and ventilation industry with a focus on factory and warehouse cooling and ventilation. Our main products include large industrial ceiling fans, also called HVLS fans, big fans, large ceiling fans, evaporative air coolers, cooling pads, and exhaust fan products and systems. All these products are characterized by environmental protection, energy saving, low power consumption, and high efficiency. We export it to more than 50 countries, such as the United States, Canada, Australia, Spain, France, Italy, Singapore, Japan, and South Korea. The product sales network covers almost all countries in Southeast Asia. Our products have won wide acclaim, praise, and a good reputation at both home and abroad. Our cooperative company is a certified enterprise of National High-Tech Enterprise and Technologically Advanced Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises in 2022. We aim to create continuous value for our customers, partners, and employees. We warmly welcome you to join our global sales network to create a better environment for a greener globe. Distributors wanted worldwide.